Buying a home in a new development can be exciting. Brand new construction, modern layouts, energy efficiency, but it can also be very different from buying a resale home. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and today I'm going to walk you through how to buy a home in a new development, what to watch out for, and how to make sure you're set up for the best possible outcome, not just today, but in the long run. So what is a new development? Well, when we talk about a new development, we're usually referring to a neighborhood where homes are being built by a developer or a builder, often in phases. You might be choosing the lot, the land, a model home, or a home that hasn't been built yet. What's important to understand is that when you walk into a model home, you're stepping into a sales environment, not a traditional real estate transaction. That changes how you should approach it. Here's why you still need your own realtor. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is assuming the builder's sales representative represents them as the buyer. They don't. The builder's agent represents the buyer's interests, pricing, contract terms, timelines, and profit margins. Having your own realtor means you have someone explaining the contract in plain English, watching deadlines and contingencies on your behalf, advising you on pricing, upgrades, and resale value, helping you avoid costly surprises. My role is to protect your interest and help you make a confident, informed decision. Now, understanding pricing and upgrades. New construction pricing can be tricky. The base price is rarely the final price. Many features you see in model homes, upgraded cabinets, flooring, lighting, or finishes, often cost extra. So it's important to, one, understand what's included versus upgrades. Two, set a realistic budget early. And three, think about which upgrades add real value, not just visual appeal. Some upgrades make sense now. Others can be done later. And knowing the difference between them can save you a lot of money. All right, next, timelines, financing, and inspections. Buying in a new development also means managing timelines. Construction delays definitely happen. Rate locks can and will expire. Closings can move. You'll also want to, one, confirm financing timeliness with your lender. Two, understand the builder's preferred lender incentives. Three, schedule independent inspections. Yes, even for new homes. A new home is not a perfect home. Inspections protect you and give you leverage before closing. So finally, don't just think about today, think about resale. Ask questions like, how many phases will this development have? What will future homes sell for in this development? How will HOA, Homeowner Association, rules affect future buyers? A smart purchase today should still make sense 5, 10, or even 15 years down the road. And that's where experience guidance really matters. Buying a home in a new development can be a great opportunity when it's done the right way. Folks, if this video helped you understand the process, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions. I try to respond to all of them. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and my priority is always helping buyers make smart decisions and creating the best possible outcome. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.